your host Tusharika from SRE India Realty. Today we are talking to you about a project that has been one of the most sought after. Talked about recent launches in the Gurgaon real estate market, हम आज Silverglades Legacy की साइट पर खड़े हैं. This builder needs no introduction. The name carries a legacy of premium construction in Gurgaon market for many years. Their projects like ITC Laburnum, built on Mivan construction technology, are still considered benchmark projects. The other projects like Classic Golf Resort, the Ivy, Tarudhan Valley, Hightown Residences and the Melia are also well known. इनका latest launch है Golf Course Extension Road पर in Sector 63A. This is a great location with superb connectivity to the Golf Course Road. This elite neighborhood houses projects like Mahindra Luminaire, Ayo Grand Arch, Constance Heinz Elevate. In fact, DLF, Sobha and the Oberoi groups have picked up land for their awaited launches in the same area. They're expected to launch their projects at a price of 35,000 to 45,000 per square feet. This is just to give you an idea कि आने वाले time में the prices for this location and neighborhood are expected to appreciate even more. Silverglades ने inaugural discount के साथ 20,000 per square feet पे launch किया है. अब price revise होने के बाद this project is generating a lot of interest and there is very limited inventory available. It is still a very competitive, desirable price for this particular location. Units in total, 40 apartments per acre, 5 towers in total that shall have the option of 3, 4 and 5 BHK apartments. RERA aa chuka hai and they have launched 4 towers. 3 sizes are available, 3 BHK, 2800 square feet, 4 BHK, 3800 square feet and 5 BHK, 4800 square feet in area. There's an option of penthouses as well. Modular kitchen and the VRV air conditioning will be provided by the builder. Towers एक दूसरे को crowd नहीं कर रहे. Lavish deck and family lounge is part of all the floor plans whether you opt for 3 or 4 BHK. This is a low density project with 39 families per acre. Legacy will have almost 4 to 4.5 acres of landscape green area and beautiful views of Aravali's for their units. Nature walk, water bodies, cabanas, jacaranda lined trees to welcome you back home. It's going to feel like a calm, peaceful oasis. Club Verve will have a gourmet restaurant, wellness zone, sports facilities, and all the premium amenities one can think of. Lots of play areas within the condo for children. 3-tier security, 1 private lift for every apartment. Service lifts will have different entry and exit points, designed for sustainable living incorporating energy efficient systems. Silverglades does not bring a lot of new projects very often, but whenever they do, it's always worth considering both for the end user and the long-term investor. So if you're interested to know more, please call us on the number you see on the screen and please do like our video and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Thank you for watching.